Okay guys, just open your settings, then select display. You can see here. Okay, then you can just see the option of screen mode. Now it is set to vivid. Okay, now you can adjust your white balance like warm color or cool color just using this slider. You can slide right to warm color, you can slide to left to cool color. Okay, in this video you cannot see the effects, but normally we are looking with our eyes, we can see the difference while using this white balance. Okay, that's very good option. Now all of the Android phones support this color changing option. Previously only some phones are support this, but nowadays there is all of Android phones support this kind of color balancing something out. Okay guys, this is very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post your replies as videos so you can easily watch that. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.